We're videoing him.
Okay. Oh, see the lightning over there.
Oh, where? Don't, I'm scared.
It's alright, it's way over the valley there. And can you hear the cowbells in the distance?
Oh, the storm. Look at the mountains with the storm coming. See that? Okay, can we get back in the car?
No. It's right over there. It's not here.
Lots of rain. Where are those cows? They're down there.
Oh, they're over there.
But down here you can hear cowbells because they literally wear bells in Europe, the cows.
In Switzerland.
In Switzerland, but you can actually hear them. It's funny.